Stop trying to learn new things. Yes, I know you're trying to add to your skills, to the works of your hand, but in 2025, why not focus more on your skills, on your talents, your abilities? Yeah, I know you might be asking, okay, how do I know my skills? How do I know my talents, my abilities? Well, in this video, I'll show you 8 ways to know the things you're good in, your skills, your abilities, and talents. And this video was inspired by the book Goals by Brain Tracy. So watch to the end because the number 8 will help you most. Number 1, you'll be the happiest and the best at that thing you love to do. You'll see that it brings out the best in you and you'll get this tremendous amount of satisfaction and enjoyment from that particular work or that skill you learn. Number 2, you do it well. So you seem to have this natural ability to perform very well and do your best in this particular skill or in this work you're learning. Number 3, this talent has been responsible for most of your success, happiness in life, even up until now. You see that it's something you've always enjoyed doing right from childhood, and it is from this particular talent you've gotten your most compliments and your rewards from other people. Number 4, it is something that was so easy for you to learn and to do, to an extent that you've even forgotten how you learned it. You've forgotten how far you've gone with learning this particular skill. You find it so easy to learn it and to move forward in this particular skill or talent. Number 5, it holds your attention. You will see that this particular talent or skill, it absorbs you, it fascinates you. In fact, you love to read about, learn about, think about, play about, talk about this particular talent or skill. And like a moth to a flame, it attracts you. Number 6, you love to learn about it and you always like to improve in this particular talent or skill. Irrespective of how long you've learned it, irrespective of how long it has taken you to learn it, you always like to improve, to get better at it. Number 7, when you do it, time stands still. Have you ever heard of the adage that says, when you're with someone you like, an hour is like a minute, and when you're with someone you hate, a minute is like an hour? This applies to the talent you love or you like to learn about. You realize that you forget that you have not eaten or you've not rested. You just love to do it and time passes without even your attention, without getting noticed of this time that's passed for so long. Number 8, you really admire and respect other people who has done this or who has gotten to that level you like to get to. You see that you admire them, you learn about them, you read about them, you even love to get close to them. It might not necessarily be physical, it can be through their books or through their materials. If the above description or what I've explained applies to what you're learning or what you want to learn or what you've learned in the past, I want you to know that this could be your talent, this could be your skills, this could be your ability. So go and research and know about it, and you can never tell, it might be what you have been uniquely put on earth to do. Don't look down on it. In case you're asking, I would like to know other people's experience or who has been in this particular dilemma or condition I've been in, asking, okay, what am I giving? How do I know what it is I am very good at? How do I know what to focus on for the rest of my life? I want you to check out this video I did with a professional in this field and check out his experiences and what he's talked about, and I promise it's going to help you. So check it out.